have offers in our booths and restaurants. We also have Christmas party packages you can avail. So to know more about this, you can visit our website at www.theharvesthotel.com and also our social media platforms at The Harvest Hotel.
This opening or this Christmas lighting ceremony is definitely a reflection of the upcoming Christmas celebration po syempre ng mundo. And of course, Harvest Hotel naman is definitely an important establishment that signifies the Novo Ecijano Christmas spirit.